gonna start his neck. Nope. Yeah. That's nice.
They're so soft, but I didn't get to hold them. Is that the Pet Smart at Target? Have you been there lately?
No.
Well,
Careful.
it's see-through night. Aw,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You think I broke him when I didn't?
The neck. It's okay.
You can blame it on me though. I'll take the blame.
It's okay.
Wasn't me though. Telling you I didn't break his neck.
It's okay.
It's so cute.
Yeah, just be careful.
I just barely touched his nose. Oh, you're recording it. Cool.
Mhm.
I'll be quiet now.
Yeah. It's alright. I'm being super careful with them. I got the best X-Acto knife brand they had. If I mess anything up skin-wise, I don't really care because his skin does not matter compared to his neck right now. But I am cutting along the right line. So that's the one good thing about this. It's a good thing not to rush. He's my baby, I don't want to hurt him. Stop the video for a second until I get through some. As you can see, there's definitely, I have no idea where the brown substance came from, all over here. You can definitely see there's something definitely disconnected. I'm just about through the skin. So there's a lot of black on a lot of these parts. It's pretty messy looking. I do not know what they did when they made him. There's one down there. Another wire disconnected that's right there. And the third one is in the top region of the neck right here. And the other one seems to be still in contact. Let's see what I'm gonna have to do with this. Does not look good so far. So it's not so much I could do about the neck. I'm starting to finish sealing the skin back up here. You can hardly tell along here, but his tail moves fine again. The same stuff I used right here. I don't know if you could see it, but it's gray right there. It's this. You mix the black and the gray, and it turns into kind of like a cement, so he's gonna have a little bump right here. Same with on his neck. And after I did that, I wrapped his neck up so that it would give him extra protection, because I rather have him able to work than care about the function of his neck right now. So it's staying up. And let's pull this back. Like when you pet his tail. I mean, you pet his back. I don't mind him not being able to have much function in his mouth. I mean, his head. But his tail's back up to where it should be. And he seems pretty fine. He's still cute as ever. Aww. It's okay.